Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Karen to Clean. In this short video, I'm going to be doing, some mowing, weed eating, and kind of decorating the porch for summer. So I hope you guys enjoy this little small video, and I will see you guys back here on Friday. Okay guys, so I'm gonna make this short and sweet because it's hot and I want to go back in where it's cool. We put our flag up. Better late than never. With it being 4th of July, we decided to go ahead and put that up. And then I had to weed eat right here, and I had to move that sign right there because it was really growing in right there. So I just kind of picked it up and weed eated it there to put it back. And then I put out my black and white kitten statue type of thing right there. And then I put my God Bless America on the column here for the 4th of July and for the summer. So that'll be up for the whole summer. Anyway, just wanted to kind of give you guys a little bit of an update. It's not much, but hey, here we go. Alright guys, I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment, all the things. See you guys later. Happy 4th of July.